Hey everyone, it is thunderstorming outside, and I don't know. I talk often about how the thunder comforts me, and the reason why the thunder comforts me is I remember in 2012, 2013, I would say 2013, 2014 actually, when there was a thunderstorm, really bad thunderstorm, and I wasn't even saved at that time, but I knew something about prayer and I really needed the Lord, right? So I prayed and I remember singing out loud. I've always been a singy songy type of person, so I was singing and praying out loud, and then I'll never forget there was something that I had said. I said or I asked something. I asked the Lord in prayer, either asked or whatever, and then the thunder. I felt like the thunder responded, and so anyway, the thunder has meant something to me. You know, when I hear the thunder, there's always something spiritually that I always sense before it actually thunders. So what comforts me about the thunder is there's this, I don't know, I guess it reminds you of, like a father's deep voice or something. There's something that touches my heart when the Lord is loving enough and gracious enough to show you that he's listening to you, that he heard you, and he'll do something. And thunder is one of those things that reminds me, like tonight it's been thundering all evening, all night, and on and off. It reminds me that God heard me, because it's literally, it started in 2013, 2014. I don't know why. I don't remember which year it was, y'all. I really don't. But I don't know. And sometimes I want that reminder. It's not, I don't want to ever make God feel like I don't believe he's there. I just feel like I need reassurance at times. Some of us need that reassurance. You just be wanting to know, God, you hear me? Or God, am I wrong for praying for this or struggling? And then God has no problem with, I heard you. I'm working on it. Or I heard you. It's finished. How about that? It's done. It's finished. You know. Yeah.